muggy night. Folks need water out there. A lot of them we saw in the video have bottles of water with them.
Yeah, we have thunderstorms which are popping up at random across the area. Let's start off with what we really need to be paying attention to, and that's the heat and the heat index. And just a couple of reminders to drink plenty of water. Do not use anything, or at least consume anything in high quantities with sugar and alcohol. And lightweight, loose-fitting clothing, hats if you can, sunscreen. Now, the thunderstorms that are going to develop for tomorrow, those actually will be, I think for the most part, we're looking at best chances of rain will be later into the day. But as we look at the temperatures, 95 degrees right now, feels like 101, dew point 69. Earlier, there was a dew point of 77 in Gadsden. I don't know if I've ever seen one quite that high. That's really, really rich moisture. And as we go through the remainder of this evening into tonight, there will be some clouds left over, especially from some of these thunder showers that have been popping up. That has helped to cool a few spots, though. 81 right now in Alabaster, and as I mentioned, mid-90s from Birmingham to Tuscaloosa to Coleman, 92 for those of you in Anniston, 86 in Gadsden. But just before we came to the newscast, or top of the hour, it was 114 in Alex City. That was the heat index. I mean, we're talking dangerous now. Now, not everybody is necessarily reaching the criteria for heat advisory, which is 105. But as we go through the next couple of days, we need to certainly have that in the back of our mind because of the fact we are going to be dealing with heat index values upwards of 100 to 110, possibly even higher like we saw earlier today. Because today, Jasper, you hit 99. Your heat index at one point was 110. So you get the idea. The thunderstorms that are popping up are just scattered and random. We're looking at a few of those now through Chilton, Bibb, Perry counties. And it really can't track a direction with these because they're so nomadic as far as where they're headed. But across our area, I expect that we will see a few more hit and miss showers and thunderstorms like we have now, right along the 459 corridor from Grants Mill back down towards 280 Liberty Park. And those stretch all the way down into, as I mentioned, Chilton County, west of Birmingham, a thunder shower popping up, and a little bit now into Trussville. These are the dew points. Now, keep in mind, we don't get this high very often. Even in the month of August, we don't see numbers into the mid and upper 70s as continuously or consistently. Now, numbers tomorrow, we're looking at low 70s, very similar to what we have today. And then by tomorrow night into Wednesday, look at some of these numbers, 76 in Birmingham, 75 in Tuscaloosa. That is a measurement of how much water the atmosphere will hold. Mid 70s and upper 70s, that's just dangerous as far as adding to the heat index because of the fact there's so much water in the atmosphere. Now, as we go through the night tonight, let's keep in mind these are going to be hit and miss showers popping up at random. 10 o'clock, we still have numbers into the lower 70s. Isolated shower into the first half of tonight. Overnight, I expect us to stay dry. Then you'll see those showers starting to pop up again tomorrow through the morning, late morning, and then during the afternoon, developing all across our area. Right place, right time, but 60% coverage is likely. Here's your Storm Track 7-day. Temperatures into the low 90s. Heat index will be upwards of 100 or higher, and that chance of rain and thunderstorms likely for Tuesday and Wednesday, scaling back for the end of the week and cooling down, believe it or not, by the weekend.